Hello, I am Mukul Padgaonkar, and today we will be looking at how to calculate the spot rates using forward rates. So now let's assume that 1 year spot rate is equal to 3% and 1y which is the forward rate 1 year from now for 1 year can also be written as let's assume this is 5%. From this information we have to calculate S2 which is spot rate for 2 years or the 2-year spot rate. Let's see how to approach this sum. We'll first solve this graphically and then we will solve this with the help of formula. So in the first year I'm making 3%. 1y means after 1 year for 1 year I'm making 5%. So in aggregate I'm making 8% in 2 years. Now how much should I be earning in each of these 2 years to make it 8? This is the simple thing which we have to solve. So how will you do it? It is 8 divided by 2 which is equal to 4%. Now let's see how I can solve this with the help of formula. The formula is a geometrical one, so it will be 1.03 which is 1 plus 3% on your BA2 plus calculator multiplied by 1.05 which is 1 plus 5%. This whole thing raised to 1 by 2. Why I'm doing 1 by 2? Because we are annualizing it. 1.03 into 1.05 will give me the rate for 2 years. So but I need it per year. That is why I'm taking it raised to half, and since I'm adding 1 I will be reducing 1. So if I solve this on my Texas calculator, I should be getting an answer which is pretty close to 4%. So let's do this together. 1 plus 3% equal to into 1.05 press root x key minus 1. So what you have on your screen is 0.03995. If you multiply this by 100 you get 3.995 which is nothing but 4%. Let's see one more sum. A 2-year spot rate is equal to 4%. 2y which can also be written as f2, forward rate for 2 years after 2 years. This is, let's say, 6%. Calculate 4-year spot rate. How will we do this? This is very simple. Again, in the first 2 years I'm making 4% each. After those 2 years, for the next 2 years I'm making 6% each. So how much am I making in total? It is 20. Now give me one number which will add up to 20. One number has to be filled in all of these blanks which will make it 20, and we can find this by easily making 20 by 4 which is approximately 5%. Now let's do this with the help of formula. It is 1.04 square. Why square? Because I'm making 4% in 2 years. So it is 1.04 into 1.04 into 1.06 square. Again, why I'm squaring these things? Because it is 6% for 2 years. this whole thing raised to 1 by 4. Why 1 by 4? Because 4%, 4%, 6% and 6%, this all 20% is the return which I'm making in 4 years. So how much am I making in 1 year? That is what I have to find it out. That is why I'm making it raised to 1 by 4. And then since I'm adding 1, I will be reducing 1. And this should give us an answer which is pretty close to 5%. Let's solve this on our BA2 plus calculator. 1.04 x square multiplied by 1.06 into 1.06, and now press root x button twice. You have to press the root x key twice. Root x, root x. Now what you have on your screen, reduce 1 from that number. So now you will be having 0.04995. You multiply this with 100 and what you get is 4.995, which is nothing but, which is very close to 5%. So I hope you have understood how to calculate the spot rates using forward rates. Thank you.